guys, in today's video we are talking about how to make your home feel more cozy this fall. So as the fall season is coming in, a lot of us want to know how to create that cozy feel in our home, and we're going to give you some tips. Let's get into the video. So the first tip to making your home feel more cozy this fall is to put down a rug. If your home has hardwood, tile, or laminate, it is very likely that in the fall and winter it's going to be pretty cold under your feet. And I don't think having cold feet is a way to make you feel cozy in your home.
I agree. Adding a rug to a bedroom, living room, or family room really gets your senses going to make the space feel more cozy and comfortable. So the next tip is to incorporate warm muted pillows and throw blankets. Creating the cozy factor in your home is all about the snuggling. When looking for pillows, blankets, keep in mind that you can also add texture in these spaces. Think about adding items like chunky throws, knits, crushed velvets, and those cushy pillows to your space, adding in the snuggle ability.
I completely agree. It's so nice to have more than one throw so that if you have guests over, they are also able to experience the cold as well. Adding baskets and blanket ladders for storing extra throw blankets is a good option to keeping them accessible to everyone, but not causing clutter in your space. Next, we suggest to clean with fall scents. Adding the cozy factor to your space is so easy when you use scents. One way you can incorporate fall cozy scents is through your cleaning products. I mean, you already have to clean your home. Why not add in inviting scents? One of our favorite collections is the Mrs. Meyer's Fall Collections. The Acorn Spice, Apple Cider, and the Mum scents are products that are sure to bring in the fall cozy feeling in your home. Sometimes I know it can be hard to find these products in store. I have used the Grove Collaborative to get these cleaning products, as well as the hand soaps and the room sprays. This is not sponsored. I have personally used their service, and it definitely makes getting these scents into my home sweatless. We also recommend creating a potpourri you can simmer on your stove, giving off the smell of fall all throughout your home.
So the next tip is to layer your lighting. Lighting is a mood changer in any space. You can add softer lights through your accent lighting, such as floor lamps, bedside lamps, to create the cozy feeling at night. Dimmable lighting can also help achieve the cozy feeling in your home as well. Turn off those overhead lights, which probably have cooler temperatures around 5,000 Kelvin. You want to stick with soft whites and those candle lights, which are around 3,000 Kelvin, to create that warm fall night feeling inside of your home.
All right, guys, next we have add candles. Candles around the house is a twofer because you can add warm, cozy fall scents, and you can use them to add a layer of light in a room.
Oh, nice.
Candles give your space that warm, staying at home feeling as the flames cast dancing shadows. If you have animals or small children and you are concerned about the fire hazard, I totally get it. We suggest to opt for LED or battery operated candles. You'll still get the cozy feel without the stress that having candles around animals or small children can sometimes bring. We will have our favorite LED candles linked below, so don't forget to check out the description box below.
You can also add candlelight through your lanterns. Lanterns add the cozy ambiance. You can add them to a fireplace ledge if you have one, or you can also add them to a table, or just sit them on the floor with some giant candles on the inside. All right, party people. So the last tip is to use dried floral arrangements. This tip is special to me because I have allergies and they are easily triggered, and having a beautiful bouquet of fresh flowers would make me miserable later. So I opt for dried floral arrangements. Here you can bring in the cozy fall colors like those browns, creams, and those muted oranges that we love during this time of the season. You can swap out your greenery for real dried florals without the obligation of having to water them, because like we mentioned before, we kills things around here. So you can get these stems from places like Home Goods and Marshalls. They have plenty to choose from, and they're also budget friendly as well.
You can also try using dried fruit filler to place inside of your vases and decorative bowls in your home to create visual coziness throughout your home.
Thank you for joining us today. We're already feeling cozy over here, and we hope that you will too once you incorporate these feel-good fall cozy tips into your home. Comment down below and let us know your favorite ways to make your home feel more snug and comfortable for this fall season. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.